to follow up on your comments about job growth, why is it so much worse than the official data is suggesting?
Oh, well, we know, I think I don't think this is particularly controversial. It's very difficult to estimate job growth in real time. They don't count everybody. They have a survey. And there's been something of a systematic overcount. And so we expected, and they correct it twice a year. So the last time they corrected it, we thought the correction would be 800,000 or 900,000. I won't get the numbers exactly right. And that was exactly what happened. So we think that has persisted. And so there's an overcount in the payroll job numbers, we think, continuing. And it will be corrected. I don't have the exact month in my head right now, and that's just, I think forecasters generally understand that. So, and we think it's about 60,000 a month, so 40,000 jobs could be negative 20. And, that could be wrong by 10 or 20 in either direction. But in any case, but the thing is, that's job creation in a way, that's demand. Labor supply has also come down quite sharply. So, if you had a world where there's just no growth in workers and you really don't need a lot of jobs to have full employment, some people argue that's what we're looking at. But I think a world where job creation is negative, I just think we need to watch that situation very carefully and be in a position where we're not, pushing down on job creation with our policy.
When we're talking about supply, we have seen major American employers like Amazon cite AI in job cuts. How much right now are you factoring in AI into the current weakness in the job market?
So it's probably part of the story. It's not a big part of the story yet. We don't know whether it will be. But, for example, if you look at, you can't miss the big announcements of layoffs and also companies saying that they're not going to hire anybody for a long time, and they cite AI. That's all clearly happening. At the same time, people are not filing for unemployment insurance. And since job creation, job finding rates are extremely low, if there were big numbers of layoffs, you'd expect the continuing claims to go up, and you expect new claims to go up. It really haven't much. So it's a little bit curious. Longer term, though, the question is, what are we going to see here? And we don't know, but it's it may be that in past technology, really significant technology innovation eras, you have seen some jobs destroyed and other jobs made. Ultimately, what's happened for a couple hundred years is when you get through all that, you have higher productivity and you have new jobs, and there are enough jobs for people. This may be different. It's every time we have a wave of technology, we think, oh, this could put a lot of people out of work. What are they going to do? In the past, there's always been more work and higher productivity, and incomes have risen. What will happen here, we're going to have to see. But right now is such early days. We don't think we see much. It's certainly not showing up in layoffs yet.